Hey, what is up everyone? Welcome back to our YouTube channel. So for today's video, I'm going to teach you how to renew car registration online in New York. So first, you may want to head over to ny.gov. From here, just scroll down and you should be able to see the renew vehicle registration button. So just click on this, then proceed by clicking on renew. To get started, start by choosing what are you renewing. So we're going to pick vehicle or trailer, then proceed by clicking on continue. To make things easier, if you have an existing My DMV account, you can also just sign in to your account. And from there, just enter in your username and password to sign in, and you should be able to renew your car registration online. But if you don't have an account, all you have to do from this page is fill in all the required fields being asked. First is your plate number, then three-digit registration class, last name or business name, five-digit zip code, email address, and just verify the email address that you entered. Then proceed by clicking on the continue button. You will then be redirected to the payment page, and from there, all you have to do is enter in your payment information, then proceed with the renewal of your car registration. So that's pretty much it. Thank you very much for watching this video. I hope that you find this video helpful. And if you do, please don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to the channel. And I will see you again on the next one. Bye.